Hi friends, Home Boss Lady here. If you've ever felt like running your home is a full-time job, because it is, then today's video is for you. I'm sharing 10 retro-inspired hacks to help busy mums and wives save time, stay organised, and maybe even have a little fun doing it, all with the help of my charming printable collection. We're talking lunchbox planning, shopping lists, cleaning routines, and even a few ways to make the kitchen feel like it's straight out of the 1950s charm, without losing your sanity. Hack number 1, weekly lunchbox planner. Skip the morning scramble by planning kids' lunches for the whole week in one go. My kids' school lunchbox planner lets you write down each day's meals and even get your kids involved in choosing what they'll eat. Hack number 2, double duty dinners. When you make dinner, cook a little extra to pack for the next day's lunch. Use the lunchbox planner to note those cook once, eat twice ideas. Hack number 3, running shopping list. Keep a list going all week so you never forget the milk or the coffee. My retro shopping list. Junk journal pages are so cute, you'll actually want to fill them in. Hack number 4, shop your kitchen. First, before you head out, check what you already have and cross it off your list. It saves money and space in the pantry. Hack number 5, daily cleaning chunks. Instead of doing a marathon cleaning session, use my 1950s housewife cleaning checklist to spread tasks out during the week. Your house stays tidy without stealing your whole Saturday. Hack number 6, cleaning with music. Pop on your favorite playlist, set a timer for 20 minutes, and see how much you can get done from the checklist. It makes cleaning a little more fun. Hack number 7, family recipe book. Keep your favorite meals all in one place with my 1950s housewife handwritten recipes bundle. It's perfect for passing down those treasured dishes. Hack number 8, themed dinner nights, Taco Tuesday or Pasta Friday. Use the recipe bundle to collect and keep your family's themed night favorites. Hack number 9, lunchbox snack prep. Wash fruit, portion crackers, and prep snacks in bulk so you can grab and go during the week. Update your lunchbox planner so you know what's ready. Hack number 10, pretty lists, more motivation. It's true, when your lists are pretty, you actually use them. Whether it's my retro shopping list, lunchbox. If you want to try these printables for yourself, I'll link them in the description below so you can grab them today. They're not just tools, they're a little dose of joy in your everyday routines. Ready for better mornings? Before you leave, get my free Happy Morning Routine chart. It's the simple tool you need to enjoy smooth, happy mornings once and for all. Find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you love practical tips with a vintage twist, don't forget to subscribe to Home Boss Lady. See you next time.